Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check crash logs in Windows 11, so you can quickly find errors and troubleshoot problems on your PC. Step 1. Press the Windows key and type Event Viewer, then select it from the search results. In the Event Viewer window, expand Windows Logs, where you'll see 5 categories: Application, Security, Setup, System, and Forwarded Events. Step 2. Click on any of these categories to view the logs. You can expand the window for more space and switch between the General and Details tabs to get more information about errors or warnings. Step 3. If you want to filter logs, select a category and click Filter Current Log on the right side. Then choose a time range from the drop-down menu, like last hour or last 7 days, and tick Error or Critical under Event Level, then click OK. Step 4. After filtering, review the list of errors or warnings. Clicking on any item will show detailed information that can help you understand what caused the crash or problem on your computer. Thank you for watching Techie Dialogue. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Windows 11 tutorials.